Wait, my bad. Hold up. I just muted him for everybody. My bad. I gotta wait. No, I muted
we,
you for me. Okay.
we're live now. So
Oh, my bad. Hi, everybody. Hi.
Wow. He's like, wait a minute. No, wait, no. What is going on, everybody? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What is going on, brother?
What's up?
Hey, man, it is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, right? It's hump day. Yeah, Wednesday, June 26th, 2024, year of our Lord. We got JH the Bull in the building. I heard you change your name yesterday, so that was dope. But yeah, I mean, I think you might have to change your name to JH the Bear today because the market is dumping to start the afternoon. I actually woke up for the London session. I didn't trade it in real life, but I did take a paper trade. I was trading from my phone. I was like, you know what? This is a really good setup. I caught shorts literally at the top on NQ. I think I got in at like freaking 20,060 and wrote it down to like 20,002. So clearly I left a lot of meat on the bone, even for the paper trade, but it's all good. But today should be interesting. The VIX is kind of starting to push up a little bit. I want to see it come up a little more for me to believe that this is a true sell-off. So we'll see exactly what we're looking at today, but you guys already know. First things first, we got to get into all of the, cringy stuff. Please make sure you tip the barbers, AKA hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, if you're using Apex, they have a deal going. I believe it's 80% off, 1 day to pass. Please use the Apex discount code that you see scrolling down below, or go watch all the videos that Justin has put out. Those videos also have discount codes to not only Apex, but other future prop firms that you can use to potentially support the channel. Last but not least, if you're looking for a strong community, if you're struggling with your trading, or if you just like the education that we provide, you're more than welcome to join us in the Discord. The Discord link the Discord link is in the description down below. It is a paid Discord, however. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. And that price will go up as soon as Justin and I can prove to you that we can be consistently profitable in this market. Those prices will go up, but if you lock them down at that level now, you will always stay at that level. Now that we got that all out of the way, Justin, how was your night? And just stop looking at the market, bro. It's all a mirage. Just don't look at it, bro. Like just look the other way. Just look the other way.
Do you see just look at your tape real fast. Oh my God.
Oh, I don't even have my tape up.
They're okay. Good. They took it off. I said they're playing with the Bulls right now. Like,
nah, I'm trying something different today. I'm gonna look. I got a different visual today. I have the tape if I want it to just look for entries specifically, but I'm gonna put the tape away. I'm just gonna try to focus on just the chart today. So that's something that I've been working on. When I'm trading on my phone and I'm paper trading, I usually get really good entries, and I never have the tape. So I'm just trying something a little different. But I do have the tape up for the Discord fan. But
yeah, they playing with Bulls emotions down here. To be honest, but it looks like we might get that relief bounce. Looks like Bulls are coming in. But yeah, good night. Pretty chill. Now, I was really tired. I had physical therapy, and I also walked like 3 miles to the car shop yesterday and back. So I was pretty exhausted last night. So yeah, it was pretty chill. I watched that new Star Wars Acolyte show. It was like a 30-minute episode. Trash. Don't watch it. Don't just
I don't watch Star Wars anyway. So you had me at Star Wars.
Star Wars is good. It's a good universe. It's just they make trash TV shows. So it is what it is. But
and I guess it is what it is. Yeah. But anyway, so let's get into the things that matter besides Star Wars. Let's talk about this pre-market plan. Pre-market plan, ladies and gentlemen. So the Bulls have to defend here, right? I forgot to mark this level right here too at 18.52. I didn't even see this 4-hour demand zone right here. But anyway, so the Bulls are in a location where they need to defend on NQ. So we're looking for buyers to defend this 1-hour demand at 19.931 through 19.839, and we can look to long the market targeting this 4-hour supply. Now, structurally, this is a very key note. the bulls need to defend here like never before, because for the first time in a while, right, they rallied and they did not take the high, right? When that happens, one of two things are looking to happen here, right? Either they're going to be looking all day to trap buyers, right? Because this candle looks extremely bearish, right? This is the 4-hour candle. So all day they could be looking to seek liquidity, to trap buyers, and then finally get to this level down here that I've been begging for NQ to close the gap on. And ES has just like 4 or 5 points down here that it needs to close the gap on. So either that's going to happen, or these bulls are going to defend this area down here, right? Which is why I'm looking for the market to bounce in this area. If not, then I'm just going to be waiting until we come down here. I'm not chasing this. No way in hell, right? All right, so selling, it's already happened. I write my plans pretty early in the morning, but look for buyers to short week rallies at 4-hour supply through 20,045 through 20,086. And look to target this current 1-hour demand, which looks like we're about to just straight flush through at 1931 through 19838, right? If we get up here, then I had a plan to short rallies at 45-minute supply, but we'll see, because we're starting the day extremely bearish. I'm trying to read the plan, but I'm blown away at how aggressively bearish we're getting down here. It's crazy. So anyway, so if we can't hold this level, I'm still bullish, right? Until we break below 19,728, right? It doesn't mean I'm going full on bearish, but I'm gonna be kind of hands off until we come to another area, which is 620 is a level that I've been calling for all week, right? 536 is a level that I talked about in the top-down analysis. So both of these levels will be in play if we can break through 728. The way that I like to trade, I'm a reversal trader by nature. So I'm definitely going to be looking for longs, but I'm not going to do something that I've done in the past, which is like chase the long thesis all damn day, just because I think the market should be doing that. In addition to that, I'm activating, right, very, very short-term target mode, right? Like I'm activating that right now because I know I want to long the market, right? And I know that the trend is to the downside, but I don't want to short the downside. So I automatically am thinking, okay, if you're going to long the market, you need to stick to 10 to 12 points on ES. That's it. That's how I'm looking at it, right? Until the market can prove that it can go higher, right? All right, so speaking of ES, let's jump over to the ES plan, and we'll draw all the way out to the 4-hour, okay? So the current conditions are bullish retracement. We're bearish below 55.75. So basically anything below this high up here, we're going to be looking to be bearish. We're bullish above 55.11. And you can see with this, I mean, this 4-hour candle is nasty. This is nasty, y'all. Nasty. Anyway, with this aggressive selling, you can see that the market is most likely seeking liquidity to destroy. The market looks like it's on a seek and destroy mission. But in order for me to be truly convinced, these bears have to get through this level. They just have to, in my opinion. All right. So the market continues its rally all through London and Tokyo, is now at a key level for bears to defend, which is exactly what they did. I want to entertain shorts below 558 and longs above 55.1175. I will also be interested in longs above 55.8 as long as the bulls show price acceptance in this level. What I should have wrote is I'll also be interested in shorts if we break below 55.11, but I feel like that's implied. All right, so the bulls, the bullish case, if we come down to finally close this gap, right, then I'm going to be looking for buyers to defend 55.03.25 through 54.89.25, and we can look to long the market targeting 55.11, which is the previous day low. In this area right here, right where we are right now, I'm looking for buyers to defend this level, right? Between 55.27 through 55.1175. I got to be honest, looking at this 4-hour candle have no wicks, it just doesn't look like that's something that they're interested in doing right now. So I would be looking to target the 2-hour supply, but at this point, I'll settle for previous day high, okay? And then to the bearish side, obviously, we have the plan up here. Look to short week rallies in the 2-hour supply. I got a break and retest and then another short, but I'm not looking at that anymore after this. Not anymore. It's up there and it's in my plan, but I'm more so interested in how this 4-hour candle closes. There's 50 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. If this thing closes anywhere near where I think it's going to close, the whole plan, you can just throw it out the window, toss it, and I'm looking for longs at the bottom and shorts at the top. That's essentially where I'm at. So, Justin, if you have anything to add to that, I'd love to hear it, but I really gotta pee.
Oh, we'll go pee.
I'm about to go. I'm just about to mute my shit.
That's hilarious. Gotta drain the main vein. But for me, I mean, I'm in the same boat, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna be looking to long the market. We've already broken through a lot of the structures where I was hoping the market would kind of start to bounce at. It looks like we're starting to get a little bit more activity from the buyers down here, and I think we will get some type of relief bounce. But I just can't short the market here. Like, if you let me share my screen real fast. But the bears are showing so much initiative to continue to push price down. But I mean, we've sold off like 30 points on NQ or on ES. We sold off probably like 200 points on NQ. We got to get some type of relief bounce. I'm not saying it's gonna be like some crazy bounce, maybe 50 points, 165 points. So maybe we get a 10 to 15 point bounce on ES, maybe about a 50 to 70 point bounce on NQ before heading lower. But we got to retest something. The market's not going to go straight down forever. So I would much rather play the I would much rather play the bounce. God damn, they're just loading it up. But I'd much rather play the bounce. And then if I want to get short, I can play that too. Kind of play both sides. I think the bounce is coming now, though, to be honest, which kind of sucks. We also have news at 10 as well. So that could also play like a major role. But I just think that the bears are really in the building and they're really trying to push us and break down some like massive structure on the day. So we'll see what happens. But we're in this 45-minute demand zone on NQ. And then ES, we're kind of back down to these lows. So I'm just a lot more bullish than bearish. I think a lot of people are going to be bearish after what they've seen on this sell-off. And so that could be a little nice recipe for at least a short-term bounce. I'm not looking for us to come all the way back up to this hour supply zone, but I am looking for us to at least come back up and retest something. I mean, look how far we are away from VWAP. Like, we got to come back and balance out a little bit. So I'm expecting for us to come back up at some point in the day. Hopefully not right now, though. No, we'll see. You're muted.
I said, why do you say hopefully not right now?
Oh, because I would like to see us I would like to see a little bit more volume come into the market and kind of trap some more bears down here before coming back up.
JH Bull says, yo, what's going on? What's going on, John? What's up, iQuil? Yeah, I know, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Good morning, Micaiah. Good morning. NQ closed yesterday was 972. We could go back up there for the retrace. ES is back in the 15-minute opening range break. Was that orb or opening range?
Yeah, opening range breakout
from yesterday. Oh, yeah. We're basically back to 20. And now this buyer that I was telling you guys about yesterday at 55.20, because we not in. Oh, I mean, the loans haven't even started yet. That's what I was asking. I'm like, if it starts in the pre-market, like what the difference does it make? I mean, we sold off 30 points in the pre-market. What's the difference between 30 points in the pre-market and 30 points in the regular market? I don't know. I guess it's just preference at the end of the day. Good morning, John. How you doing? How you doing, brother? How you doing?
What's up? Yeah, they're really trying to stop price from going up any higher. They keep throwing 300-400 lots on the book. Then they pull them. This has been a pretty incredible sell-off. Good morning, Yin Yang. How's it going? Eric says I'm up 550 so far. one more point on gold, and I'm done for the day. Let's go.
Yeah, gold had a nice flush at 23.28. I was looking to get long at that support at 23.18 and just ride it up, but it took off without me while I was making my plan. I was like, Jesus. But it seems to want down, and that level at 23.04 on gold, that level's been there since the beginning of the month. So if they take out this level, you can expect a really, really clean flush, in my opinion. Until we get to 22.98, there's a 4-hour demand zone right there as well. So good trade, man. Good trade. Oh man. Oh goodness. Got some good sleep last night. I didn't wear my mask, but I definitely got some good sleep.
That's good. Yeah, that was a wild sell-off right there.
Yeah, that was pretty dynamic. Pretty dynamic.
Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention too is that NQ. Well, I mean, I guess structurally they look different yesterday, but ES is back down by its lows, where NQ was kind of more so in the middle of yesterday's price action, where we actually found buyers yesterday. I mean, we found buyers down here too, but just like structurally again, ES sold off further than NQ, although NQ was much higher than ES was from a structure standpoint. So I don't know, it's been kind of weird, the two of their movements coinciding together, but I mean they're both finding some buyers at the same time, which is good. What you want to see. So
yeah, I mean they ain't giving me enough yet. They're gonna have to get, or yes, they're gonna have to take out at least 24. 55.24 or 55.28 for me to be interested. Other than that, keep selling. Do your worst. But as long as that VIX doesn't freaking pump, I feel like it's a bear trap. And yet another one. But we'll see.
Eric says I gotta recover after yesterday. Yeah, I'm trying to not look at it like recovering. We're gonna have ups and downs in our P&L. Just a down day. Just gotta take my trades again, and hopefully everything will work out. If I take a good trade, that's all I can really do. I think I mean my thesis on yesterday was correct. I got the sell off that I wanted, just had bad timing. So I'm trying not to look at it as like a recovery, and more so just taking my setups and taking quality trades. That's all, and the rest will work itself out over time. So it's kind of where I'm at from yesterday. Makai said, hey, for your top step XFAs, does the max loss limit ever go higher than what they set? For instance, if I made 5K on my 50K top step, is my new possible loss 5K or is it still 2K? It's still 2K. You can, if you make enough money though, you can ask them to change it. So if you're up enough, you can just ask them like, hey, I need more drawdown. Can you raise my drawdown? And they'll do it. But yeah, your drawdown every day stays at 2K. It resets for the new trading day. I couldn't find anything on Top Step explaining that. Yeah. It stays the same.
Yep.
Yeah, it stays at 2K, but I think end of day. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but like Justin is saying, like they will adjust it if you request it and they review the account.
Yep.
Because they want you to be able to trade freely, but they want to make sure you can trade, so to speak. So Top Step is awesome, man. Awesome.
Yeah, and the good thing too is like they want you to go live, so I mean it makes sense, right? Because they don't want to keep paying you for the payouts and not get anything in return. So them raising up your limit is actually a benefit to them as well, because when you go into the live market, they end up benefiting from you making more money. So good morning, Brian. How's it going? Good morning, Sean. Top of the top.
As the ICT traders would say, we are in deep discount to start the day. Damn. This motherfucking game down. They said, yeah. Valdez said, give me my paper money. Dump it.
Oh yeah, I forgot that he was.
Yeah, he said he went to break even yesterday. He said, let me go to break even. Shit. I was like, yeah, these Bulls ain't playing. But these Bears, they definitely came and show back up for sure.
I said, okay, thanks. Sure, not sure how it worked. Yeah.
Pot says the deepest discount. Yeah, exactly. We are in deep discount. We're so deep in discount that I don't even know if I want to buy. It's like, we gonna go this deep in a discount? I don't even know if it's a discount anymore. Are they seeking lower prices? Like I feel like this is a discount, but they may be looking for Black Friday prices. The Amazon Day or whatever. What's the Amazon Day? Prime Day?
Prime Day.
And there's a fair value gap or inverse fair value gap. Oh, did we inverse a fair value gap? On what time frame? Like 1 hour or something? I don't know.
Brian says Apex has my 615 request still at pending status. Let me guess, they'll find something I did rule wrong? Probably. When's the last? Oh, they have until what, the 30th to deny you or something? Your payout?
Yeah, I don't know. Shit is in clearance. Yeah, we on the clearance rack right now. We definitely on the clearance rack right now.
Oh, he said the 1 minute.
Oh, the 1 minute. Oh, okay. I don't know what that means then. I think I can spot fair value gaps, like inverse fair value gaps, a little better on like the 1 hour, like the higher time frames. I don't think I'm that good at spotting them on the smaller time frames. But
yeah, it's definitely harder to spot them on the 1 minute.
He said they're getting stingy.
Yeah. I broke their dumb rules already with 5 300K accounts.
What did you do?
Probably DCA.
Oh, DCA?
Probably.
You can't stop yourself from DCA and just close the trade. If you feel like you need the DCA, just close it.
Well, apparently, according to the rules, you can DCA 1 time per trade. So, yeah.
Yeah, this is sweep territory. This is not something I'm looking to buy until the dust settles. Like they're picking up momentum the further they go in the discount. Like this thing is dumping.
DCAing is a part of my strat. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
it's DCA normally though. Like, do you DCA more than once? Because I mean, if that's the case, then. But you know what though? That's the only thing that kind of annoys me. Like, if you watch their video, they talk about how the DCAing that people were doing was based off of like bots and algorithms were DCAing for them. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like you can solve that issue by saying, okay, you can DCA as many times as you want. We're just not going to allow bots. Like, I don't understand why you couldn't just stop bots. I mean, Take Profit does it. Take Profit doesn't allow any algorithms to trade for you. So why wouldn't you just do that? Then that solves your problem, in my opinion.
I think we all know why.
Yeah, I know. That's not the truth.
We all know. We all know why. But I think we know the real story behind the Apex, right? The Apex Predator.
The Apex Predator.
It kind of goes along. I didn't realize how well that fit them. Because they're preying on all the people who really can't, or I should say can't trade, but they're working on their trading. I just don't feel like Apex presents a good opportunity to be able to work on yourself as a trader. That's the only reason why I don't like it. Like, I think if I was a better trader or a professional trader, or like my system and myself was completely, well-rounded, then maybe. Because I could probably work through the shit and be like, whatever. Like I know my shit works. Like I know my shit works, but sometimes I don't trust it, right? Sometimes I talk myself out of it, right? For me, I'm just in that stage where it's not about trusting my system anymore. It's about me trusting me to hold through my system, right? So
here comes some buyers coming in. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't think that something that's in the market like DCAing should be a knock against people. Like it's not illegal to DCA. So like why would you make it illegal to DCA on your platform? You already make it hard enough by having an intraday trailing drawdown, and now like you're not going to let people DCA because people were making millions of dollars. Your words, not mine, on DCAing. Like
that's kind of my point. Is like what's the big deal with DCAing? It's like all the rules that make sense in the real market, they take away, and then they add these rules that make no sense in their market. You know, so yeah, people were making a killing. The gamblers were starting to win. That's what I said. I said I think the house was starting to get upside down, so the house had to go and find some rules to stop this shit. Right?
Yeah, it makes them more like a casino than anything else. Yeah. Like casinos do the same thing. When people start to find an edge against the casino, they shut it down very, very quickly.
They shut it down quickly. They got to shut the edge down, or they pull you in the alley and beat the shit out of you. What are you doing counting cards?
Yeah.
There it is. Exactly. Give you that sweep. Okay. All right. Oh, you guys are watching NQ. Yeah, ES looks like it's ready to go. And gold is selling off right now. Whoever is in that gold short, you are killing it right now. YM is still dumping. This thing it's not coming up for air. Jesus Christ. We do have new home sales at 10 today, so just be aware of that. Gonna wait for 9:30. Yeah, I think that's probably a better bet. With all the settlements happening right now, I don't normally be like, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the open. I'm with Justin on this one today. I'll wait for the open. Give me a break.
Yeah.
Yep. There's designed to make it difficult to pass. Exactly. Like there's Apex is good. Yeah, because it's like, why would you have certain rules if it's not to stop people from passing? I just don't like that. Yeah, like stop acting like you didn't set it up to make sure people continue to fail. Right? Like that's why you set it up that way. There's no other reason you would set it up that way. There's no other reason. Right?
Well, that's the part that I don't understand though, is that their whole stick is that it's easy to pass because we have the 1 day pass where you can get funded in a day. But then you turn around and be like, but here are all these rules when you're in the funded. I would much rather just have those rules be up front and straight, so that way it's almost like being in a race and being like, yeah, so in this race, there's these certain set of rules for you to get to the Olympics, right?
Yeah,
and you got to get a certain time to get into the Olympics, right? Or maybe like, I don't know. I guess my example would be, you're running the Olympics trials, the 400, you make the 400 team, you get to the Olympics and be like, yeah, so now you got to run the 600 instead. We're going to make it longer for you to run. But it's like, wait, but I qualified for the 400. Like, I'm supposed to run the 400. But nah, you're running the 600 instead.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, well,
it's like
last minute. Well, the only thing that I will say in their defense, I will say this, is not like they was hiding the shit. Right,
yeah,
so you know what I mean? Like you, it's not like you didn't know what the fuck you were signing up for. So responsibility has to go back to the trader in general. But if we're just discussing, why would you do X, Y, and Z? I think we all know why, right? It's a money business. At the end of the day, they did offer cheap accounts, right? Which is what people wanted. They wanted the opportunity to trade like real traders, but without putting up real bread. Well, Apex gave you that, but then they added some things to protect themselves, and I think they went a little bit too far, in my opinion. Because now I'm not gonna say it's unfair. It's more of a challenge, right? That's a challenge that doesn't exist in the real market. So
yeah, to get to your payout.
Exactly.
And then Brian, they were pretty upfront about the scalping thing on my funded futures though. Like they're pretty upfront about the fact that they don't like people scalping on there. So the market's open. Really interested to see this open and see what we do.
Yeah, let's see this.
Candles already higher volume already. So I think we're going to get a very explosive open for sure. I'm hoping anyway.
Is this the final nail in the Bulls' coffin? or do the Bulls come back and say F everybody?
I gotta get to my micros.
Tick tock, tick tock. I think we're about to dump. Oh my God, the Dow just flushed. Holy shit, the Dow just flushed. Holy shit. Oh my God, the Dow is flushing. Yo, the Dow is down 100 points. We just opened. What the fuck?
I think ES is about to follow.
Oh my God, the Dow is down 100 points. Oh my God, this candle is a 100-point candle. Holy shit.
I think ES is about to follow.
Oh my
We're breaking the pre-market lows now. Oh, the Bulls.
God. The Dow just opened and it's already down 120 points right now.
Oh, we're getting that thing again where fucking NQ wants to rally when ES wants to dump. Who's telling the truth? Looks like Nvidia's rallying, Apple's rallying, or trying to rally. Google's starting to rally, and so is Microsoft. So while the Dow decides it wants to dump, the rest of the market feels like it wants to be confused. Besides NQ, NQ's ripping. Is the Dow still dumping?
Yes. yes, it is. I'm astonished looking at this thing. Like, it is freaking dumping. It's stopped at. I got a 90-minute demand zone right here. So let's see what we do right here.
Maybe they all turn around at the same time. I mean, NQ is trying to go for it right now.
Yeah, so is ES. ES is not breaking that low right there. Let's see what happens. There's a NQ's out of here.
Yeah, NQ is pumping.
Yeah, the Dow's getting a bounce here at open. So maybe this is the trap for all the bears out there. Damn, that was fucking dynamic.
Whatever this does, just don't sell off right here. Just don't.
It's just like, yo, you got so uncomfortable when you thought that shit was about to sell off.
I really did. I was like, damn.
He's like, don't do this.
I was like, okay, everything else is pumping. Like, ES, you can't be going against the crowd, right?
My man said, bro, just stop it. Get some help. Sector rotation, yeah, it could be. I think that's a really good way of putting it. I quote sector rotation.
Oh yeah, RTY got to be going crazy right now to the upside. Let me check the Russell. Just see what he's doing. No, not really. Actually, the Russell's selling off too. What is wrong with this market?
I don't know, but the Dow just ate that whole candle back up. Jesus. Oh my God, the Dow's back up 100 points. Oh my God.
You can't trust the Dow.
Day, right? This is about to be a day right here. What the hell is going on?
See, now you got Nvidia selling down. You got Apple pumping. Google's trying to pump, and so is Microsoft. What the?
This candle on the Dow is crazy right now.
Bro, look at NQ just got slapped and rejected.
I'm watching both of them, bro. I'm watching all of them. I'm like, yo, this is freaking crazy. These are the opens I missed right here.
Yeah,
these are the opens.
The hands off right now. I think we're coming down lower.
I don't like this. I took a long on ES on that sweep. I'm long at 19.75. I like the area. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'll jump in the waters for you guys.
Yeah, tell me if it's warm
or
not.
If it's cold or not. I'll let you guys
go ahead. Go ahead and dip your toes in there.
What'd you say? Yeah, I got y'all. Don't even trip, bro. I got y'all. I'll jump in there for y'all. Yeah. He said, nah, that's cool, bro. Let me know what it be like down there, bro. I ain't trying to find out. Oh my goodness.
That's what I'm saying. We gotta at least come back.
That's all I want. I promise you, that's my target. That's all I want. I'm like, yo, no, I do not. I just want settlement. Not the way we sold off. I just want settlement. I just want half of this move, bro. I just want settlement, bro. That's it. I want nothing else.
He is a perma bull, so
I mean, I could go for True Day. Yeah, True Day is up there. Midnight is up there. You know what I mean? Like, it is right there at 39, 75. You know,
we did eat up that entire candle right there.
The whole thing. And I got a really good entry. So like, even if it flushes me out, I'm comfortable with the loss. So
a lot of buying up here at this high. See if it looks like we're gonna break through.
Shut up, Valdez. Shut up, Valdez. I know you trying to hate on me over there. I know you. He's like, Haas. I said, just lock that shit in, motherfucker. No, I'm accepting the risk. You bought it 19. Good entry. God damn. 19? Sheesh. Great entry. Yeah, you got almost as good an entry as I did. Almost. I'm fucking with you, Mr. Platts. I'm fucking with you. Gap to the upside. That's fine. Let it do whatever it's gonna do. I feel like this area is. Leave me alone, Valdez. I feel like this area fit my pre-market plan, and everything I was looking for, I got down here at these lows. So I'm not going to be upset with the trade either way. Win, lose, or draw. I'm not moving my stop until I hit my profit target or I get stopped out. It's a very low risk trade. It's two points on the risk. I'm chilling. Let it do what it's going to do. He said, I strongly suggest you get out, Hobbs. Damn, bro. No faith in your boy. Dang it. Here they come. Round 2. All right, this low right here is important that we hold this higher low right here for me. If we hold this higher low, I think we'll be okay. If we start flushing straight down, then it's gonna be a night. It's gonna be night for your boy on this trade. Yes, it is. What you say about this? What was that second part you said?
He said, I ain't gonna lie.
Targeting, we're done at Panther Pride. All right.
Well, I'll meet you halfway. All right,
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave the trade on. I'm gonna go. Yeah.
You can always manage the trade from your phone. Just don't
and drive the kids. Damn, jumping.
Hey, look, man. I'm just saying. I did it. I managed my trade from my phone while I was driving. I was like, oh my god, time to get out.
Y'all some savages, bro. Hold on, it looks like
damn right I did.
I might fuck around and get stopped out before I even leave. So let's see.
I managed the hell out of my trade while I was driving. I ain't give a fuck.
All right, 20 needs to hold. If 20 holds, we good. Anyway, I'll be back. It doesn't matter. I've already accepted the risk. I'll let y'all in a minute. I shall return.
Yeah, I think you should be good. We pulled up out of we broke that previous high right there. This is just a pullback. We had some extremely strong buying coming in. Nah, just trying. Still a yes. What's the DAC doing? Oh, Nasdaq's looking real strong right now. We came back down, but yeah, no, the Nasdaq's coming back up. ES is gonna come back up too. Yeah, it looks like we're about to support the 20s and come right back up. NQ's already starting to rally. ES is going to follow. Everything's looking good to the upside. Everything is looking good. Now, if you're a bull, you just want to see that previous high break on both of them. We just don't want to see this fail. But we're still consolidating, though. I don't like the fact that we couldn't get above the 25s. We're coming back down to test these 20s, so let's see what happens. This time, we're coming down with a lot more buying or selling pressure. So if this gets ate up and stopped, that's going to be very, very bullish. Let's check the stocks here. Apple's selling down right now. So is Google, and Nvidia right now is just stuck in a range. Microsoft. Let me go to. Let me see what Tessie's doing. Let's see what the Tessie's up to. Oh my God, Tesla is ripping right now. Tesla's going ham. God damn. Tesla's up $6 on the day already. Is Tesla going to be inverse the market today? Jesus Christ. Tesla's really going for it. Oh, let's see what y'all talking about. Keep this discount. Think my whole 1 minute, let it ride. Inverse fair value gap. We good. Trust. Gonna go take a shower. We also tap 4-hour bullish fair value gap. A lot of build up on ES. I agree. We gonna rally today. I think there's a good possibility we rally. I'm aiming for 2071. 4-hour equal high. Okay, that's all the way back up at the top, I think. Yeah, it's all the way back at the top. 950 gonna send us to the moon. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, the market's just kind of consolidating at these lows, which could be very, very bullish. And just wait and see. We definitely took that low and regained it on ES, which is pretty bullish. But the market is just struggling to get above the 25s right now. But NQ is looking strong though. I don't know what's pulling NQ up though. Maybe Tesla, because Tesla is up like $7 right now. But it looks like Apple could be holding us back a little bit. But I think overall, this is probably bullish consolidation. I'm not looking at this as being bearish. Let's see. Just in this range. I think for me right now, my plan is to allow this range to break out and then come back and retest the range. Because for me to get in this trade now, I would have to assume too much risk. And the range might break out bearish. So I think we still go up higher. I think this is I think this is more bullish than bearish, but I'd rather allow this range to break out. We're basically creating new demand here, and then we come back down and retest that demand. That's the way I'm looking at this. I'm long, small. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad long on ES or NQ. I just know that if I get into this consolidation, the likelihood of me being chopped out because of my entry is gonna be more than likely. So I'll wait personally until we pump up and then come back down. We retest this consolidation area, and then I can look to long the market. It's looking good though. We're getting above the 25s now. Getting above that high on ES. NQ is pumping. NQ is looking really strong right now. And Apple's moving back to the upside too, which is good. Took profit on previous day close, waiting for the next setup. Okay. Yeah, I think we go higher. I think we continue to move up. I think the market's got a lot of room. Hell, to Mr. Potts' point, I mean, NQ might make its way all the way back up. We're looking extremely bullish on NQ. ES is definitely lagging behind. We're doing that same thing again on ES where like NQ is extremely bullish and ES is just taking its sweet ass time to come up. The Dow selling down again? Interesting. We come in for London high. Yeah, NQ is out of there. ES is struggling though. ES is out here really testing people's patience. I will say when NQ decides to buy it, they buy the fuck out of NQ. They take forever to get ES going, but Nvidia's starting to pop now. So that's probably what's helping NQ rally is Nvidia, but Apple's starting to rally as well. So yeah, I like it. I think we're going up higher. I just wanted to see this range break out and then a retest of this range. But I like it. I like it. 962 is another area to look for longs if anyone missed the entry. Wink wink. Is that a 1 minute inverse fair value, or yeah, 1 minute fair value gap right there? Are you looking at like the 50% of the fair value gap, Pots, or I don't even know if that'd be 50%. A 3 minute fair value gap. Okay. The market is still moving to the upside, to the upside, to the upside. See, 29 is going to be a big level on NQ. Yes, but always place entry 35% of it. Sometimes it won't even tap 50. Gotcha. Yeah, Hop Straight is printing right now. He got in at 19. He's almost up his 10 points. Almost up 10 points right now. Man, NQ just took off. So remember, we're still in this downtrend though. But the market did put in this higher low, which is very, very bullish after putting in that double top. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, I'm being patient as well. We consolidated down there, which was bullish. But yeah, this news is about to come out here pretty soon, so just be patient and wait. The market just opened. There's going to be plenty of opportunity. And the way I look at this is, if we come back up, then this could just give me a potential to short this and continue with the overall trend that we're seeing right now anyway. So even if I miss the long, that's fine. We're just getting higher for me to short the market back to the downside. News will bring it to 962. Then it'll rally higher. Watch. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely possible. NQ is pumping. NQ is moving. But yeah, we could retrace. We could retrace back down for the news. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. That's 10 points on ES right there. Anybody who got in the 19s out here printing, let's go. I was holding 2 minis from 919. Sold one, letting one remaining run. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's see what happens here. We got we got a really nice rejection right there at in the 30s. Same rejection we got there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching this level. I'm looking. We're holding on this pullback, but I'm starting to spot a little bit of selling up here. So, want to see what we do. I'm just gonna be patient, and kind of wait for this news to pass us by and kind of see what happens. I don't want to enter like 2 minutes before news. It's just too close. So, but I'm watching these levels to potentially hold to go higher. But I would love to see us come back and kind of retest the consolidation in the 24s. That'd be like the best thing. Like if we come back down, we run through the 24s and come back up, I would definitely look to long the market. I think they're about to clear this book here. We're going to consolidate up here before the news. NQ not slick. They're using the news as a driver. It's too obvious. If we come back down, I'll add 5 micros. Yeah, I think we're gonna come. I think we're gonna come back down. I want to see us come back down. All right, now we're getting a ton of selling pressure here. We're holding these 26s pretty nicely. Nope. There's the dump. There's the dump. All right, let's see if we can hold. Let's see if we can hold. We got about a minute till news, but well, less than a minute. But let's see. We're trading down, so we rejected. The 5 minute looks pretty bearish. That was a pretty bearish rejection that we got up there. Let's see what we do here. The tape is clear. Let's see what we do. See what we do. I think the news will give us some nice information. All right, news is out. Yeah, this is where Mr. Potts was looking along the market re-entry, right? Didn't he say in the 60s? Potts, didn't you say 60s? Why is 5-minute VWAP different from the 1 minute? Womp womp womp. It shouldn't be. The 5-minute VWAP should be the same as the 1 minute VWAP. It shouldn't be any different. Yeah, like. Yeah, but the volume should be the same though. They shouldn't be. They should be the same. Volume should be the same regardless.
All right, I'm back. I am back. What's going on, gents? How we doing?
I got long in the 27s after we spiked back up.
You got nice.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Let's eat. Forget about yesterday. Focus on today. Let's grind.
Come on, Bulls. Push us up.
NQ's rallying pretty aggressively here. It'd have been the same money. Depends on, because you got to think, if I took the same trade at the same time, I would have took it with 5 micros instead of 1 mini, right? So if I took it with 5 micros, oh shit, yeah, you're right. I would have printed. Yeah, it's definitely. I didn't realize how far we went up. He's like, yeah, for 70 points.
NQ ripped its little ass off. It was pretty crazy.
We'll catch up. We'll catch up. Yes.
Yeah, I think ES
will catch up. I'm not really worried. I'm not really concerned with the trade. Yeah, but yeah, I would have been up already. But I mean, it's no difference. We'll catch up. I mean, look at the VIX. For me, it's all about the VIX for me. It's damn near at 13. It's damn near at 13. It's at 1404. Anytime I see this selling and I don't see the VIX participate, I'm bullish as hell. I'd be like, nope. I don't care what.
Yeah, now ES has the buying coming out of it. Yeah, that news ended up being pretty bullish. Just got to break above VWAP now. VWAP's at 30, 31. Well, the reaction to the news was bullish, I guess, is what I should say.
Let's go, boys. Come on.
Yeah, it did give us a very nice pullback. A very nice hold. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't want to see this fail. Yeah, for me, I want to watch 33 pretty closely because they're building some support or some resistance there. So yeah, I agree. Yeah, we can push through 33 on ES. I think we go higher. I'm targeting 41, so this 5 minutes looking very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. But on the 1 minute, I'd like to see us get above VWAP and hold. That'd be ideal.
NASDAQ looks so bullish right now. Screw you guys. Let us catch up. Like, can we catch up? Damn, we ain't even got to the structure yet. Y'all motherfuckers already above settlement by like 100 points.
Yeah, we gotta
can y'all relax? Damn.
We got to be a little careful on ES because if NQ makes its way back up to 2067, that could be a rejection point. So we got to be. Yeah, NQ moving.
Bro, can y'all relax? Bro?
Can we make 60 points?
Fucking chill, god damn. You would. Hey, Valdez, I think the ES look real bad out here, bro.
It's definitely possible. Okay. Here goes ES. They're removing the liquidity at 33. So I think we want to go up higher. We definitely want to go up higher.
Yo.
But yeah, I think you're right. We need NQ to chill out a little bit.
Yeah, I don't want NQ to get to the supply zone before we get there.
Yeah,
because we could reject settlement before NQ gets to supply, and I just want settlement, bro. I got an ultimate target of 44, but I'm more than willing to take profit at 37. That's it for much, bro. Like ES is fucking weak, man. What the fuck?
ES is not smoothing as much as
bro,
as NQ.
I'm just moving my shit to settlement, bro. That's all I want. Yeah. No, fuck that. No, you got the perfect trade. We were dealing with pain yesterday. I don't want to hear it. Y'all motherfuckers had the perfect set. I went in review. I said, yo, what the fuck was wrong with Valdez today? Like, this shit was sauce on NQ. If you go watch the market review, bro, I was sitting over here. I was like, yo, what the fuck was wrong with Valdez? I'm not losing it. I'm not going red on this trade. So this
I'm not a fan right now of what's going on ES.
I'm not liking it at all. But I'm gonna need you to do your thing, ES. You know, don't let the boys show out, bro. NQ swept the high. ES was unable to get above the high.
Yeah, ES is out here acting like a little biatch. But that pullback looks like if we can defend on this pullback, then we're good. But good lord. Let's get above the 33. ES is. It would definitely do us dirty. You don't know ES.
Yeah, I'm about to say ES was being dirty yesterday. Bro, ES was treating us so wrong yesterday. Yeah, we got abused yesterday. We got abused. I moved my stops in profit. I'm locking in 300. I don't like what I'm seeing at these highs up here. ES should have been pushed above this shit, bro. Like been pushed above it.
ES is really struggling right now.
I'm taking my 10 points, man. I'm out of here. I'm out for 10. I'm gone. I'm out at 29. I'm not playing this game with ES today. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out for 10 points.
Yeah, I'm thinking about going ahead and going to break even, just because I don't like what I'm seeing on this at all.
It could go. It could continue up, but I don't want to sit through it. And I told myself if I'm up 10, I'm not letting it go back between there. So that's in my rule book. I follow my rule book. I got a great entry. I'm logging that trade as a really good trade on the day. And I'm not fucking around with these bears to fuck around and find out. But I do think the Bulls still got it. I'm just not willing to sit through it when I hit my profit target. I don't want to fall back into that little trap of, like, could go higher. It could go higher when I did everything right? Like, there's no reason for me not to take profit right now. So I did everything right, and I took profit at the right time. And if this thing wants to push further, then I can look for a new entry, and that's okay. But what's not okay is me going against my rules. My rules clearly state if you're up freaking 10 points, you fucking take that shit. And I was up 10 points. I was up 12, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get my bread up out of here. So good trade on the day. I'll look to re-enter if we continue to push. I really like the entry though.
Yeah, I went to break even because I was up like 4 points, and I'm in my funded. I'm just not willing to sit through a retracement like that. So I'm a little bit above break even. I'm okay with going with getting knocked out for break even on the trade as well. Just for me personally, I'd rather protect the capital. And like you said, I can always get back in if I like it. But I'm not going to let this trade go right on me either. But it looks like the buying's coming back in, so it looks like I should be okay here.
Mm-hmm. Looks good. Looks really good. It just always scares me when I get that doji print at the 950 macro. I fucking hate that doji print. I'm like, bro. And anytime ES is doing something that NQ isn't doing, it's kind of, makes you scary. But it also made me feel good that I did take profit at the area that I planned to take profit. So I'm completely comfortable with that. And I only have one contract, so I'm more excited about the entry that I got. Like, the entry was something that I've been working on, and that entry was fucking sauce right there. So I'll take that all day long.
All right, here come the Bulls again, trying to come back up. Hopefully break through all this. But yeah, you did get a really, really, really good entry on your trade. Looks like this buying is about to... I don't want to see a lower high get put in here. I'm actually really content with my idea of going break even here, because if we cannot break this high, then we're going to come down and we're going to take all this. So
the VIX is really, really weak right now. Extremely weak. Like, it's down to 14 now. So there's definitely a ton of buying going on down here.
And then on top of that, NQ's at that 20,000 level. So it kind of makes sense that it's hitting a little bit of a wall here.
The entire market is rallying. So I would hold that shit.
I'm definitely planning on hold. I'm not gonna sell it unless it's my break even.
Fucking sending right now. Let's go. Let's get it. Meta is
here
pushing,
we go.
Apple is pushing. Everything's fucking sending right now. So.
All right, let's just break this high. That was just a pullback. Let's go higher.
Let's check on the chat. All right. How's we printing? Yeah. We pushed, man. We pushed. I got out of my profit target. I had a much higher profit target, but I wanted to get out at that level because that's something that I've been trying to work on. It's just focusing on not over expecting more than what I should be getting out of these trades, right? And I want to get really good at that range, right?
These sellers are really trying right now.
The same thing. Fuck that nigga. I'm going to bed. Oh boy.
Come on, buyers. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now.
It is. It's 100% ES's fault. And the Dow's trying to get busy back to the upside. I think if the Dow gets going,
It's that 20K level.
They're still holding their 90-minute demand zone, but NQ looks like it's about to fail. And if NQ fails, ES is going to fail too.
Yeah, because Nvidia is also struggling as well.
But again, the VIX is continuing to sell down, so I have faith that you guys are going to be okay.
We got NQ has to break 20K.
Good morning, Ivan. ES comes sweep 55.24. Ooh, you wanted to sweep 24?
Well, the good thing is that on ES they're aggressively trying to sell down, and they're not. The bulls are defending on these sell downs, so
yeah, it's only a matter of time.
Yeah.
They're just picking up all the liquidity. They just picking up all the liquidity. They're like, who else want to sell this shit? They talking shit like I be talking shit. Where's your fucking stop? Where's your fucking stop? Who else want Debo? Here comes the Dow. All right, if you can get NQ to just pull back a little bit, and the Dow and ES should be able to push. NQ don't deserve to be up here this fast. Like, relax, bro.
Yeah, ES looks like it's trying to hold some value up here.
Bro, Meta is super sending right now. I have no idea why. This thing is going crazy.
We're gonna fail here.
This looks like it's gonna be a long 11-minute fucking basing candle is what it looks like, Justin. That's what it looks like. It looks like you about to be basing here for a while. My wife says, what are the 3 shortest words in the English dictionary?
I love you. I don't know.
I love you. What the fuck?
Yeah, because I is one letter. Love is 3, and you, I don't know. What?
He does.
What? I feel like
is it in? Ew.
Is it in? Oh. Damn.
Is it in? That's actually really good. Thanks, babe. We needed some comic relief while we over here sweating balls trying to get these trades to go up. Oh, shut up. He said,
damn, this is smelling like failure by the Bulls. Yeah, no, come on, Bulls.
Smell like failure, man. You get the as long as 19 is intact, bro, it's not failing. It's just basic.
Probably selling down right now. Yeah, it's selling down. Here comes NQ though.
Bro, the market is about to gigasend, bro. ES is about to go. Relax.
I'm chilling.
He said this smells like failure. It's a fucking uptrend. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it just smells like failure.
Justin is that man be scarred,
one black
bro.
one black candle. It's over with.
It'd be that tape, man. I'm telling you, bro. That tape be fucking me up.
This looks like failure.
Ooh, that does look like failure. Boys, what y'all gonna do up at these highs? Y'all got your opportunity to get the fuck out. What y'all gonna do up at these highs? They coming for it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Looks like your boy got up out of there in the nick of time. Probably not. Bro, ain't no way we not finna go to at least midnight, bro. Like, we gotta go up there, right?
50%
is
like this. this divergence between ES and NQ.
Yo, what is wrong with Malik's mic? Why does he sound like
Because he's in the car.
he's in the got an air horn or something this morning? Yo, what's your name? No, it's I'm like, yo, you good? Yes. Why would you have it any other way?
No, do not accept that. Do not accept that.
No, don't accept that, Mike. No. He's talking about 50% of the dunk this morning, not the rally. I know Valdez was talking about the dunk though. Yeah, Valdez was discussing the dunk. You guys are just discussing two different things. Valdez, nobody wants your mic. Your previous mic was absolute trash. Just to be clear.
Still looking. I like what we just did right there. Every time the Bulls come down, they defend super nice. Yeah, this is where we take off
to infinity and beyond. Here comes NQ. NQ has no chill,
ES
bro.
is going to.
Can y'all wait? Can y'all just wait for ES, bro? Like, what the fudge?
All right, come on. Let's break these 33s now, ES. Break the 33s and go to the 35s. Come on. Why you gotta say it like that?
Why I gotta be like that, bro? Like, there he said to the fucking gulag.
Come on, ES. There you go. There you go, ES. There you go, ES.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, wait. Don't do that, ES. What the?
Now you want that. You want that. We're aggressively pushing and filling that liquidity. We're just getting rejected. So yeah, you want that. You want an aggressive push in there. Now you just want to see the defense by the Bulls. I got one more joke and I'm done for the day. What you got, baby? Oh wait, she wrote it in the chat. Hang on. She said, "What's the difference between a penis and a bonus check?"
I don't know.
A penis and a bonus check. I don't know. What you got, baby? Someone's always willing to blow your bonus.
Wow.
Wait a minute. That's not funny.
I mean,
I'm your husband.
Whoa! Yes. What? Do you see that?
What? Justin? What?
Oh my God! The buying. Let's go, ES. Let's go. Break 35.
We go to 2150. Sit it, Mr. Potts. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Everybody get their money back. I mean, we're professionally not looking to take our money back from yesterday. We're only focused on the money we can gain today.
Respectfully,
give me my motherfucking brains back. It's out of you fucking me. Let's go, market. Let's go. Let's go. Send it. I love it. Get your buddy, Jay. Are you targeting True Day? Are you targeting?
But I'm about to get out of some of mine here because this buy-in is scaring me. I ain't gonna lie to you.
The buying is scaring you? You're long. Why would the buying scare you?
Because we're not pushing up any higher off this buying.
We go over 20,150. Wah. I know, right? Professional. Yeah. We're not allowed to say the word professional. We're not allowed to say that word, bro. It's not allowed in here. You can't say that. No professionals in here. None. Y'all gonna have to pay that extra fee on TradingView. The minute you start talking about you a professional trader, you got to pay that extra fee. I want 20 to see London High get taken. What up, Pip? What up? I got long at 19 on ES, got out for 10 points. Justin's long at 27 and targeting 48 or 38.
Yeah.
And Valdez, I don't know where he got long on EQ. Bro, these motherfuckers coming, bro. They coming. They coming. Yeah, I'm glad
I'm about to get
19.25. But my goal, I set it to start the day. I said all my longs will be scalps because if we're gonna remain bearish, I don't even want to fuck around with the longs. I'm taking 10, 12 points and I'm getting the fuck out. And I started to get greedy, and then I was like, nah, I'm getting out. I'm getting out right here. I told myself I wasn't gonna get greedy. I'm done for the day. I'm closing it, and I'm gonna freaking go back and just review, and then that'll be that. Like I'm just trying to be focused on just being efficient and locking in those 10 points and getting the fuck out. You saw my original target was like 44. That was the old me. I was like, nope, we getting out right here. Because we're still trying to push against a bearish trend, right? The trend is still bearish.
Yeah. I told you I didn't like what I just saw. Should have probably taken something up there, but it's all good. Live and learn. Didn't go red on it. I had one mini. Well, 10 micros. Oh, it was 10 micros.
Ooh, aggressive.
Yeah, I should have.
Aggressive. Sheesh. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Fuck you doing over there? No news event today, bro. He traded regular. He just traded Eddie. Ooh, we won down. Yo, this might be coming down today, bro. Ooh. Oh, they coming.
That was a hellified rejection right there.
That is dirty. Take your profits. That
was a hellified rejection.
Yep. That's why I was so focused on that entry, because I was like, yo, the only way I'm longing this shit is if I get the absolute bottom, because I don't know how long these loans are gonna go. But I would rather be in at the very low in case this shit happens, in case they really want to fucking play or fuck around and find out. But this could just be a liquidity sweep to go higher, right? Let's see what happens. We could be liquidating these lows down here, right? And let's see if okay. Yeah. I want to see if this is gonna hold, because this might be my re-entry right here. But I ain't in no rush. Put it that way.
Yeah. Nvidia sold off.
Yeah, but the big still isn't coming down. I might want to take another entry here. I'm just gonna wait to see how this candle forms on the 5. Are you in oil? Oh, it's I was about to say, oh shit, it's Wednesday. Yeah, you probably are in oil. Oh yeah, it is inventory day.
Oh yeah, inventory just came out.
Let's go.
Came right back down into the 23s where we found.
All right, I'm back in here at 25s. I'm back in at 25.75. Babe, your mic's unmuted. I'm back in on ES at 25.75, guys. I think this was just a retracement to go back up. See what happens. Can we get another 10? Just throwing out 10 pieces today? Take another 10 piece. Come on. Push. Just looking for a push in the settlement right here. Settlement, and then if we get aggressive, then I'll shoot for true day. But if we fail at these highs, I'm gonna get out. Because the only reason why I'm tightly watching this is because of the bearish sentiment on the day. So if we reject aggressively here, I'm getting out immediately. But if we do what I think we're gonna do, I'm gonna stay in. So I got a really tight stop on this, just kind of watching it with my finger on the trigger here. Could come back into 1050 and then do something special, but I'm taking this before the macro just based off the structure. But if we start to look extremely bearish, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. But I like what I'm seeing out of the VIX. I like what I'm seeing out of everything in the market. So give it a shot. One red candle, Justin already under the bed. Yeah. Good short, Micaiah. Good short. Retest, simple. Took profit, left the runner. 955, my runner. Nice. This is a good retest. Took that. Nice. Collecting stops. Yeah. I mean, they could be getting ready to run it back up, or they could be getting ready to completely dump it. I'm just more inclined to believe that they're gonna go up a little further before we dump it, right? Like I think we dump, right? Maybe. I'm not betting against the Bulls at all, but I think we go up first before we dump. So I'm just gonna trade that.
Yeah, I'm not under the bed at all. I got green. You know, it was green. Not as green as I would have liked it to be. It's all good though.
Oh, I think he was just talking about like when you was like, oh, I don't like this. I think that was an old comment.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I like getting those early entries, man. That's what I was talking about yesterday. Is like, if you would have got in the 20s, like the lower 20s, you would have been already up 10 or 15 points. So that sell-off wouldn't have affected you whatsoever. You could have been locking in profit. But because you were in at 27, you ended up going green just to get swept out, right? Like you were part of the liquidation process.
Yeah, but I got in on the pullback, so I mean, we just didn't go up higher. That's all.
What are we going to do, Mr. 5 Minute? $4-hour bullish fair value gap. We tapped into it. We'll see what happens. I'm about 40% confident that we're going back up. I'll get into the 60% level if we get above 34. But my risk is managed, right? Like I'm liking this trade more and more the more we hold this level. So we'll see what happens. For ES, I just want to see us trade through this zone that was just created, that huge little gap that just got printed on the 15-minute. I want to see us trade above that. ES NQ is already pushing above it. ES about to get fired. That's what's about to happen because NQ is just really, really outperforming the fuck out of ES today. Time today, yes. ES is actually looking really bearish up here as opposed to NQ that looks really bullish up here. And now we're just flat, doing nothing. Waiting on 1050 to see what happens. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Risk is managed. I'll be right back, guys.
Yeah, I think we push up from here. What's up? No, it was for everybody. You just had to sign up for it. I don't know if they're still accepting the signups, but I got the I signed up for it. I got the email. Yeah, it's for everybody. They're just not getting this push.
Oh,
they're giving
what are you trying to do, Mark?
It's 150k evals right now, or 100k evals are basically half off right now. If you signed up for the fire drill yesterday.
I don't like this. I'm getting out of this. I don't like it. I'll take my $12 and live to fight another day. I don't like what I'm seeing up here. We're looking pretty bearish. Now here we go. If it wants to take off, it'll just do it without me. Until we can prove that we can get above, we get it back on the other side of these highs, I'm just gonna cut it. It's not looking like I thought it was gonna look, so I'm getting out. I gave it until I went and got some oranges and thought about the trade, and I didn't like what I was seeing. We weren't pushing soon enough. Maybe I'll wait for the 1050 macro to see how we react in there, but I just don't like it. But no harm, no foul. $12 paid for the trade opportunity. But I don't want to catch myself doing what I normally do on days like this, which is longing this shit all day when the market truly just wants down. And now the VIX is slowly kind of trying to creep up to 15 right now. So not trapping me today, market. I've been there, done that. I've been a part of such shenanigans. And I think I'm going to lock out my account here because I'm done for the day. I'm going to lock it out. That way, I don't got to worry about it. Yeah, good way to exit that shit. The longer we stay at these highs, everybody's probably looking for a return to midnight price. But what if the market just says, fuck your midnight price, we're not going there? And NQ already returned to midnight. ES doesn't really have to do it. So market could be looking to short here. But I know Justin op-ass, he probably short. You get short when I got long, Justin?
Nope.
You ain't hear about the 100K evals, Mr. Potts? Oh, you tripping. 100K evals for $59. Can't beat that. I posted it in the yes, I'm eating, babe. But that's good news, right? Okay. I thought oh, well then don't take the job. Oh, I was about to say, like, only way I would take it is if I had guaranteed years like that. You can't gamble with your life like that. No. I said guaranteed years, plural. Bro, if Trump get elected, interest rates going to the floor. We might not have an interest rate if he get elected. Yeah.
It might. You never know. I think he would definitely fire Jerome Powell. I think that's definitely on the agenda.
You don't think Donald Trump is that dumb? This the same guy that got okay. I was about to say, I mean, I don't think he's the smartest cookie in the jar. I was like, let's repeat that out loud, shall we? Facts. Facts. I just think we'll see. Facts.
You mean the pandemic?
I'm gonna paper trade this long. I think longs are gonna come in, but I've already locked myself out of my account. I'm gonna paper trade this long. I don't think we're going to see 1900 again. When you say 1900, you mean like 19,900? Is that what you're saying? Okay, because I was like so confused when you were saying 1900. Okay. Yeah, I think the market's just waiting on its next macro to go up. I don't think there's a chance we're gonna drop from here. Yeah, the entire VIX is bearish as hell. Like I just don't think the VIX is gonna run. I mean, I don't think the market's gonna dump. Not from here. I just don't see it. But I'm not willing to put any more risk on, so I'm just gonna paper trade it. I've already locked out my accounts. Apex or Top Step? Oh, Top Step. Sorry guys, because I'm collecting 150k evals on Apex. No, you had to fill it out last night. You had to fill it out last night specifically for Top Step X. Think you should run. Nobody can be worse than Jim Crow. Joe Biden.
Jim Crow.
Jim Crow.
What?
Back row. Yo, ain't black if you don't vote Democrat. Yeah, he did say that. $901 was low of the day. Yeah, maybe. We'll see what happens. I mean, I think we're at the low of the day right now. Hang on a second, Malik. I'm talking with the YouTube people. But yeah, no, like I think the low of the day has already been put in. That's what I think. I agree 100% with that statement. I just think we're sitting down here to get people to think we're going bearish because people saw that aggressive sell candle, and then a lot of people are going to try to sell on the pullback of that, but they're not realizing that they're selling. The market pulled back, but it's basically putting in a higher low, right? Yep. So a lot of people are going to try to short that, and that's going to get a lot of people fucked. That's why I took the long.
Especially how aggressive that that sell down was.
That sell candle came, and then if we eat that candle back up, yeah, it's a wrap. All right.
Yeah. I got long at 2650.
Yeah, good trade. Yeah, the
Just don't want
I got long at 26.75 on my paper trade. Like literally the damn near exact same level. I was like, man, I'm taking this shit. Like, I'm not gonna trade it in real life, but I think this is a good trade. We'll see what happens. My shit is at 5 minis. Took London low and Asia low. There's no way this is a dump. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna dump either. But yeah, I just don't see it. But I'm in the business of protecting capital. So like, regardless of if it dumps or it doesn't dump, I've already got my money out of the market for the day. So the market can do whatever it wants to do today. It's not gonna hurt me one bit. 3 minis deep. Damn. I want London Eye. Okay. I'm 5 minis deep on a paper trade. You know, for educational purposes only, this is a paper trade, ladies and gentlemen. I am not in a real trade. I don't want anybody to come in here and be like, Hobbs be paper trading and be lying to the people. No, I'm in a paper trade. I have taken my real trades already. I am done for the day. I do not need any more out of this market. I am taking my time and walking myself through combine accounts. And I am focusing on only the process and not the greed. I will be greedy as fuck in this paper trade account, right? So I'm gonna shoot for 52. But in my actual account, I'm trying to be efficient. That's the goal, is to be efficient. Let's go. Let's make some money, Justin. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get paid.
I'm trying.
Wait, what? Eddie be crazy. He said, I'm scalping with 10 minis. Not recommended. That's 20 minis on ES. Yo, Eddie is a freaking monster, bro. That's crazy.
Oh, monster. Is what? I don't know. I have no clue.
No, it's still Hyundai. They just rocking with that name because it's mad popular. All right, did we hit that macro yet? Jesus, this thing is taking its sweet ass
more
time.
Selling coming into this market at VWAP. Got a break here.
Man, it's like the same old song with this market, bro. Like, we get the best moves in London and Tokyo, then we get one move in New York, and then consolidation for 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm hoping not. I'm hoping we can rip out of here.
Me too.
Especially for what NQ has done already. NQ is already back up to 20K.
I swear to God, I'm about to fucking say fuck ES tomorrow. Like, this shit getting on my damn nerve right now. It's 2 days in a row, bro. Like, NQ is not just outperforming, it's like making NQ look bad. Bruh. I'm a rolling stone, bro. I go where the brand's at, bro. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. You ain't acting right, I gotta cut you in this market, bro. It's a cutthroat kitchen. I came over here because you was acting right. You know what I'm saying? You was doing your thing. I was impressed. I love the way you trade. I like the order flow read.
I love the way you move. I love the way you talk.
You move. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love everything about you.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, all right, you know what? Yes, I'm coming back, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm back. You're back like cooked crack. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm over here and we getting 10-point moves on the day after 3 hours of consolidation. It's like, bro, come on, stop, get some help. Going back to eating my oranges. ES just pissed me off big too, man.
NQ has got to get above 20K for ES to continue to rally. That's just
NQ is above 20K.
Now. It's got to further above 20K. Goddamn it! It's got to get to like 2020.
Justin's like, no, I wanted to go higher than this.
Yeah, because if not, this is about to be a higher low being put in here. Yeah, ES is just really struggling. I just have a sneaky suspicion that ES is about to do the same thing it just did, which is potentially run its high of day and then come right back down. So I'm just gonna be watching that high of day very, very carefully.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's gonna go up, but what the fuck do I know nowadays? This market literally has a mind of its own.
It does.
They almost got me, but I saw the nonsense coming. What were you? You were short, right? He said, "ES pissed me off. It's like a bipolar motherfucker. Do you want to go or not?" Exactly. That sometimes ES be sending though. Like lately, this last week, ES been on bullshit. I'm not gonna lie, but I like it. You know what I mean? Like it's nice and slow. It's kind of like trading the Tokyo session. I like it because I can control my risk better. Honestly, that's the biggest reason why I like it. I can control my risk much better on ES than I can on NQ.
Oh, here we go. ES on that bullshit. Looking really bearish up here on the 5 minute, but we'll see.
Looking for shorts? I don't blame you.
I don't blame you neither. We're tapping back into this
like
5 minute
bingo.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're both putting in lower highs right now.
Okay. I gotta go to break even. That's a nasty candle.
You don't have to go to break even.
No, I'm going to break even. I'm going to break even. That was a decision.
What they used to say as a kid.
It took me out. It's all.
You don't have to do nothing but stay black and die. Now it's gonna go back up.
Probably.
You gotta accept. You gotta accept the risk, man.
Mm-mm.
You said mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I accept the risk.
What's the point of trading then?
I accepted the risk up until my break even.
Okay.
Yeah.
He said, I fell asleep again on this action. I like YouTube in the background. Yeah. Could be. What is your thesis for us going down? I think this is going back down though. What's your thesis for it going back down? Oh, I don't have one. Oh, okay. All right. Moving on. Moving on with that logic. Oh, okay. Got you. I honestly just have zero, like, go ahead. Here comes the Dow. I can hear you. I honestly just have zero faith in the Bears. I just don't. I don't trust them. It ain't 50-50 to me. It's 50-50 to you. I'm convicted in these motherfuckers. That's why I put 5 minis on a paper trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm convicted. I was. Yeah. But what does that mean if we go higher then? I'm just scared. Like, I hear your thesis, but those are just numbers. What do those numbers mean if we go higher? I didn't say you were either. I'm simply just discussing the thesis. I'm just asking, based off your thesis, what happens to your thesis if we go higher? Okay. Yeah, Potts. I think NQ needs to get above its high and ES needs to trade above its high, and we're just going to continue to go higher. I just don't. The way I'm looking at it, for me, we sold off too much. Like anytime we sell off or we pump too much, I just like not necessarily pump too much because clearly we can just keep pumping. But anytime we sell off like that, like I just in this type of market, I just refuse to believe we're gonna keep selling. Like until the Bears prove me wrong, I'm just gonna keep going with that thesis. When we're at demand, buy the fucking market, right? That's it. Like I don't need. You're never gonna convince me to sell the market in my green box. In this market, it's not gonna happen. That's my thought process. Like when we're at demand and we haven't made it to settlement, we haven't made it to true day, we haven't made it to the previous day high, and we're this bearish. I just look at that shit as rocket fuel. Right? Like that's just the market needed to take a break, and now we're just gonna go higher. Like, why would anybody think anything other than that? It's just crazy to me. Like I don't want to believe it. Like I don't want to be this bullish. I really don't. But it's like when the market has shown you the same thing literally all year, like why would you think anything else? That's my thesis, right? Until these bears come to play, the VIX gets warmed up, right? Like something changes. I'm just gonna keep buying the market because fuck them. That's why. Like I don't really care who's winning. I just want to play with the winners. That's it. Like I think sometimes we fall in love with the fact that we're at areas that we should short, you know, and then we end up shorting them and be like, oh shit, that didn't work out. It's like shocker. The shorts aren't working, right? So I don't know. If the shit ain't shorting, stop shorting it. Go long. Yep. Yeah, no. I'm not saying you. I just know that I hear that. Like I hear a lot of that social media. Like social media be so funny to me, bro. Like I posted on my Twitter page a couple days ago. I was like, yo, it's so crazy. I'm scrolling through my timeline, and all I see on YouTube and Twitter is, you know, oh, we're coming down. Is this the Bears? It's like, bro, like when the market's ready to sell off, I promise you're not going to have to ask, is it selling off? You're not. Just like right now, the market is buying up. Nobody's asking, are we in a bull market? We all know we're in a bull market. When this market starts to sell, you're not going to have to ask those type of questions, right? You're going to be like, oh shit, we just had another correction day. Fuck that video. As soon as I saw the thumbnail, I said, fuck that video. I was like, I'm not watching that shit. You had to give me the cliff notes. Yeah, you had to give me the cliff notes on the video just for me to go back and watch 30 seconds of it. I was like, all right, that's enough. As soon as I saw Dead Cat Bounce, I was like, bro, how are y'all coming to these theses? I just want to know, what is the verbiage behind it? That's all. Like what is the baseline thesis? Yeah. Yeah. The 1 hour VIX chart is showing strength on the current candle. Let's see.
Yeah, the problem right now is that Nvidia is still trying to sell off, but the rest of the market is ripping.
Yeah, the problem right now is ES is a little bitch. That's the problem.
That too.
Because you could have won on all of your trades massively if you'd have just traded the NASDAQ. Shit. ES is like trying to it's going up, but it's like it's stopping out so many people that are getting bad entries. That's what it looks like. It looks like every time it pumps out, it goes back down to stop out the people that bought the high, right? So do we continue to go down? Maybe. I don't fucking know. I'm just not a fan of betting against these bulls. So you're not going to get me to sit here and say at the low, we're going to go lower. I'm not saying that, right? I'm never going to say that because the market has not proven that to me. If the market shows me it can do that, and I'll be like, damn, that was impressive. Is it going to change the way I trade it? Nope. Because tomorrow, if I wake up and we're at the low again, I'm going to buy this shit again. I'm going to buy it again. I promise you that. You know, so Let this thing come down or go up. Do whatever the fuck it wants to do. It doesn't matter. I'm done. Done on it there. You calling it, brother? Let's get it. You done for the day? Kill count? Let's get it. Let's get it. I think NQ could actually do that. Yep, I think NQ. I'm just now seeing what you guys are seeing, and I really do like that trade idea, honestly. Like, I think NQ could come back down to 935 while ES just kind of diddle-daddles here. And then once NQ sweeps the low and holds, then ES could get busy. Maybe. You just can't get it up, man.
Yeah.
Here come the Bears. Here come the Bears. All we just did was consolidate it for freaking 2 hours, bro. I'm telling you, I'm about to, bro. I'm about to just stop trading the fucking New York session, bro. This shit is fucking sad. This shit is sad, bro. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the macro, we got macro time around that time. So, I mean, that makes sense. Injection of liquidity around like the 10:50, 11:10 time frame. That makes sense. But it's just so annoying because I swear, I be watching Tokyo and London, right? I don't trade it. I traded a couple times, but I don't really trade it. So, like, I'll be watching the session and like the moves are so clean during Tokyo and London. It's just constant up or down. Like, there's none of all of this fucking play around with your food, wait for news. It's like, bro, what the fuck has happened to the New York session? Like, this shit has gone to the pits.
No, come on, right back up.
Does this not look like yesterday, Jay? This shit look just like yesterday, except we're at the low instead of the high. It's literally inverse yesterday, where we will probably get a deadly sweep before we go up, right? Like stopping out everybody that got long inside of this shit too early. They'll probably dump this shit one more time and then go up. You got cooked? Ain't no way. You was just up. I thought you was in the longs or NQ. Oh, okay. You was trying to long it again? He said, I was trying to long it again. You short now? What's your entry? Oh, okay. Saucy entry. Saucy entry.
Yeah, you're good at 9-2. Shit, that 5-minute close is so indecisive.
We got no decision out of this market, bro. Like, what the fuck? All right, we're going up. 11:10, we're going up, baby. Let's go up. Come on. I've been in this paper trade so long, it's giving me stress, anxiety. So shorts should start coming in the indice candles with the target of PM lows. All right, iBomb, I gotta call you out on this. I gotta figure out what are we talking about right now. When you say the 1 hour candle is showing strength, I want to show you what my 1 hour candles look like, because maybe your one hour candles look different than my 1 hour candles on the VIX. But I'm gonna show you my 1 hour candles. Okay, these are my 1 hour candles on the volatility index. Right, I see nothing happening on the VIX, so I have to watch it on the 4 hour, right, to even give me some type of clarity, right? I'm starting to see a little bit of bounce. Something's going on. I don't know, but ultimately it's trading sideways, in my opinion, because the market is trading sideways. Like we're not getting any. We're getting nothing right now. Nothing that I would want to trade. Like I don't know. iBomb, Discord members want to know: are you watching the VIX futures or are you watching the cash?
This thing looks like it wants to go lower.
My audio is fucked up. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
So shorts should start coming in. We keep tapping that fair value gap. Yeah. That's why I got out, man. If I had not sold my position, I would be so mad sitting through this shit only to get stopped out. Like I would be so pissed. Previous days high. Greed blew my account. Fuck the Bears. Yeah, man. You gotta cut that greed out, man. Like today was a day that was a huge no greed day for me, right? Like that was pretty much my goal, was to not be greedy. And I almost fucked it up. I'm not gonna lie. Because I had my target set for max greed, like max greed. And when I got back, I was like, man, I'm getting out. I don't like it. I'm getting out. And it was the right thing to do. I still think the market wants up from here, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like they want to dump it. So,
yeah, structurally, we don't look good.
Yeah, structurally, we don't look good at all. But area-wise, I think the market wants up. I think we could potentially see a drop down to 55.09 today, maybe 55.03. I think that would be another good area to lead long. It's hard really to do anything right here. And meanwhile, just like yesterday, look, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. While NQ and ES are doing absolutely jack shit, right? Look at this. Okay, yeah, here you go. Look at freaking the Dow. The Dow's down here in the left corner. Look at gold about to get busy. Look, complete and total opposites. It's crazy. It's crazy. Freaking crazy. All right, now they're trying to get bearish. Let's see what happens. Be careful with the greed, guys. Be careful with the greed. What's up, Lee? Yeah, the only other place I would entertain longs, is down at 55.09 on ES. And like you guys are saying, that 935 level on EQ. This is whack, man. I swear to God, I'm gonna take a nap for Tokyo and wake up for London. This is trash. We've been consolidating here since open, bro. Other than that fucking long, like nothing has happened for 2.5 hours. Yeah, we all do. You get no argument here. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. You should love Malik. Fuck Top Step. You did that shit. Yeah, you did that shit. Yeah, that's your payout. I
love me some
fuck Top Step. Uh-oh, Justin must be short, guys.
No, I'm not short. I wanted to long the market from. I want to long the market back up. I don't want to short it, but
yeah. What's up? The fuck? Whoa!
What the bet is that?
Sinister! Whoa! We putting our faith in 80-year-old men to live. There, I know how you feel about me whenever I turn 80. Yo, this thing grinning. Good job. Good job, Valdez. Let's go.
Yeah, these shorts are these shorts are
what is that? Why funded? Yo, shout out to Pip. He came into the chat. Justin said he came into the chat this morning. It was like, I think today's gonna be a bull trap.
Yeah, so far it really has been.
So far he called that shit. And I came into the chat and I said, today I'm scalping longs. I was like, I don't care how far they go, but until they prove to me that they can stop this, what just happened, I was like, I'm scalping longs. And that's why I'm glad I scalped that shit. Good call on the short there, bro. I just can't. It's against all my rules to get short down here. I can't do it. But I definitely see the thesis. Damn.
We are coming down. And ES just disappointed.
Yeah, no, not today. Not today.
Yeah, I would not try to long this back up.
Not today. Yo, these shorts are coming in so aggressive, bro. I would not step in front of it. Oh my God. Oh, order filled on my paper trade. I wouldn't touch that shit now. You don't want this level to get hit. Gold's pumping too. Commodities pumping. We couldn't return to settlement or midnight on ES. Red flag.
And now they're gonna make it look real bullish here, and they about to dump it on everybody's head.
Yo, that was crazy flush. You did. You definitely did. You called that shit to the fucking nose. Well, you know me, bro. I'm bullish into this motherfucker go up in flames. I'm bullish.
I don't. I think we're gonna continue.
It's just I don't. This shit's coming down. Look, if I'll put it to you this way, if ES gets below the previous day low at 55.11, bro, this thing is about to come down like timber style. This is starting to feel like oh shit, the VIX popped up. Good call. Who was that? That's iBomb. Good call on the VIX on the 1 hour, brother. Good call. Back up to 20. Nice spike on the VIX. I shorted that. Very good, Makai. Nice. What's the name of the track playing? It is ES Autopilot by Apollo. I got it from whatchamacallit, Epidemic Sound. All right. Whatever NQ does right here is going to never mind. ES is already flushing. Never mind. Let me shut the fuck up. He has already set the front door. Like, we getting the fuck out of 5,500 today. This feels so good to just be hands off and watching this shit.
Yeah, I wanna see us come back up to the 22s and see if we come back up to the 22s. I'll look for shorts. 22s to the 24s is what I'm looking.
Yeah, for. I just needed to see this. This is one day that I agree with your thesis of I need to see this selling break down first. When we're in demand like this, nah. If they break this triple bottom at 55.11, man, they mean business. They mean business if they get through these lows. What is happening in the stocks today? Nvidia must be dump. Oh my god!
Nvidia been dumping.
Ooh, look at Microsoft on the 15-minute, Justin.
Coming down,
boy.
Nvidia rallied and then it just like never sustained. But and Apple rallied too. Apple's still rallying, but I think if Apple starts to come down, Microsoft's already coming down.
Yeah,
Tesla's bull flagging. Well, Tesla probably gonna stay in this range the rest of the day. Tesla went ham though.
Why is Apple rallying though?
I don't know.
So
Apple been doing weird shit.
So fucking weird how inverse the market they are.
And Google's coming down as well. The Jujel.
But we're finding buyers. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think we're only finding buyers just to tear this thing right back down. But I could be wrong though.
I don't know.
We did break the low.
I don't know. This is starting to look kind of bullish. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, we did break the low and immediately reclaim the low there.
Thank you. Out, sir. Take your little mutt with you. I think I'm gonna try another long here on the paper trade. I'm going long again, guys. Not giving up on my longs, baby. 55.11 is the fucking stop. Come on. Not on my real account. Just to clarify for the Discord family, I'm going long on a paper trade. I do not trust what's going on with the Bears today. I want to make it very clear. I still believe in the Bulls, but I'm not risking shit. I am on a paper trade. There. Disclaimer has been said. For continuation down, I want a 5-minute close under 900. I'm not playing. Right, bro. I cannot get short down here. I love everybody that's making money on the shorts. There is no fucking way I'm shorting this shit down here. Not a chance. Let me be clear. The only thing, every time I get stopped out, I'm just going to go long again. Until they break 55.11, then I'll entertain the idea that we can go short. But until that happens, basically, Malik called the retracement into 35 on NQ. He said he was looking for well, we went down to 13, but I get the idea of the trade, right? So, we'll see. We'll see how bullish they look on the way coming back up. Oh, okay. Well, then you got something really close to that. To be fair, I'd say you called the hell out of that shit. So good trade. I mean, would you say you're not trading it? How you doing, Valdez? You holding through this? They just look so aggressive, man. Yeah, I feel you.
It's 1,500 or nothing. 1,500 or bust. Yeah, they they are coming up aggressively.
They got that look about them, boys. I'm not even watching the bubbles, but I'm watching this candle get real boss hoggish. I said boss hoggish. Shut up, Justin.
He said this candle's getting real ball hogging right now.
Shut up, Justin. 69 guy, bro.
He a fan.
What you want me to do, bro? I'm a 69 guy.
Damn, man. These bulls they don't got
Let the stop outs begin.
They ain't got no quit in them.
This is crazy.
They ain't got no quit.
I said, man, you can't bet against these bulls, bro. At no point. Bro, sorry for the lack of response. Had to grab an Americano downstairs in my building. Hey, man, get your coffee. That's a coffee, right?
Yeah, it's coffee.
I don't drink coffee, but get your game, baby. Get your game. Here come the bulls. You take that, Justin?
No. I was looking to short this pop here.
Oh, that's right. You sit your pieces.
I was trying to short I wanted to short the pop, but god damn. It's looking like they got my ass.
My thesis is not changed until we break 55.11. If we don't break 55.11, longs. Nothing else will suffice. Get fucking long. The market is going up. Until they break 11, get long. That's it. That's the only protocol, baby. Every time we sweep, get long. There you go, Eddie. See, Eddie got the protocol. Let's go. Eddie got the protocol. Eddie's like, fuck this shit. Every time they sweep, just take the market long. You'll most likely be right. That's. Let's go, baby. You gotta snipe them bottoms. And your risk is so low when you buy on the sell candle. Let that motherfucker come down. If it's in your area, buy that shit. It's for sale. But it's for a limited time. You can't be bullshitting. That motherfucker come out of there, you be like, oh, what's up? Let's go, baby. I'm just saying, bro. Like this motherfucker is right there for the taking. You just gotta be willing to buy it. Buy it. Make your money. Stop playing. Hey, Valdez, you better get the fuck out of this trade, bro. You better get out. Oh, don't worry. You're most likely stopped out very soon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. 92? No, you got plenty of time. You got plenty of room. You good. It might take InQ like 50. It might take InQ like 5 to 7 seconds to stop you out. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it, bro. Your liquidity, your soul is mine. All right, well, Nathan is an option, I guess. All right, I'm up 1,000 on my paper trade again. I gave up 2,000, so now we need to print on the way back up. We gotta print. All right, cool.
Yeah,
Chat's quiet.
This is looking.
Come on, baby, push. Push. Get up there. Get up there. Get it up. Get it up. Get up there. Come on, we just gotta trade above 34 on the paper trade. That's all we gotta do. Where did I didn't even put a take profit, you greedy fucker. Oh my God, are we gonna have another PM session push? This is getting ridiculous, man. Why does it take so long? I guess because nobody wants to sell. This takes so long for them to build up sellers. This is nuts. How many people you think got trapped in that dump, Justin?
Oh, a lot. A lot of
motherfuckers in squealing right now. Like,
a lot of people try to short that at the low.
Oh yeah, at the low.
You got instant pain.
100% at the low. I'm like, yeah, this is a trap. Anytime we come down like that, huh? Yeah, bear trap anyone?
That was definitely a bear trap.
Like anybody? I came to this restaurant just wondering were you guys serving bear? I prefer the ones that have been trapped, please. Trapped in the wild. Sorry, that wasn't funny. That was kind of corny. I felt like Justin there.
Nah, my jokes are actually good. That was just that.
I think your jokes are actually good. Is like the worst lie of 2024. You need to take that shit back immediately.
I didn't say I think I know my jokes are actually good.
Yep, and there lies the problem, sir. There lies the problem. Ooh, trap the Bears. Trap the who was that that said they were bearish? Where the Bears at? Was that Ibom? Ibom, how you feel about the bigs now, bro? Bro, I don't even know what that means, but this shit fire. Gets the people going.
Wow.
He's fucking translation Hobbs. How long we been here? Oh my God. Bottom. Oh, okay. Is that bearish or bullish? Okay. He said that's bullish. So let me ask you this. Are you still in your short? So let me ask you this. Are you still in your short or no? Are you? Oh, okay. I was like, you know this, and yet you're still shorting this? Okay. Exactly. Let's go, bro. I'm so proud of fucking Discord family. I can't wait to grow up and be like y'all, man.
God damn.
This shit fucking rocket shipping.
Yeah, I think this is about to be the rejection right here, though.
The question is, what do we do? What do we do at the fucking high? That's the question. That has been the question that the Bulls have not answered, and the Bears have been answering the bell every time. If Justin's getting short, I'm about to add to my position, though. You getting short, Justin?
No.
Okay, just making sure. Just focus.
Although I think this could be the area where shorts
Bro,
might come
look at
in.
the Dow. Oh my God. The Dow printed such a beautiful rally-based rally candle. I'm about to start fading these fucking ETFs, bro. The Dow is a problem. Took my 50 points. I heard bears likely like squeezy hugs. Yeah. That's actually pretty good. I like that. My jokes are better than both of y'all's. Yes, baby. You have the best jokes ever by far. I'm feeling this will rally 200 points in the PM. I do too. I think the fact that we spend so much time down here is only gonna fucking make the short squeeze so much prettier. It's gonna be crazy in the afternoon. Anyway, that's a 10:26. Jay, you looking at anything right now? I'm about to get ready to go for my walk, man.
No,
I don't think this market about to do shit else.
I'm ready. Oh, I think we're coming down. Just looking at the tape, looking at Nvidia. I think
short it.
I think we're coming down. But...
Short it so I can add to this position. Short it. I dare you. I fucking double dog dare you.
I mean, this would be the lower high here.
I triple dog dare you. I'm fucking with you, bro. You like the short that shit. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen.
I don't know what's gonna happen either.
I have my thesis, but you better wake your ass up, girl. Get in this damn fight. She's like, nah, fuck this shit. I'll wait. I'm not getting in here. You can't make me trade. Yeah. She said no. Hold on. Justin, you still like them shorts or no? Yeah, you step in front of the motherfucking trade if you want to. Shit, these fucking bulls, man. God damn.
Yeah, we're still holding. I'm still hands off. I'm not touching this. Oof.
Yeah. Facts. That's so facts. That is very, very good that you're recognizing the value of a good platform, right? Like that's the value of it, right? Like the fact that there's no rush. Like I'm so stress free. I make my money. I put the sticks down. I lock myself out, and there's no like debate with myself. There's nothing to talk about. I've already made the decision, right? I hit the fucking stop button. I'm done. The rest of the time, I'm shooting the shit. I'm joking around. I'm taking paper trades, right? Because my job has already been completed. You know, that's it. There's nothing else that needs to be accomplished from me. I've already done what I came to do. My job is to come and get 10 or 12 points and efficiently get those 10 or 12 points. I collect my 10 or 12 points. I took one trade. I took two trades. Three trades. The first trade was a loser. I tried to get the bottom, but I managed my risk, right? The second trade, I caught the bottom because my thought process was if this isn't the bottom and I get stopped out, I'm hitting the buy button immediately because I love this area and I have conviction in this area. So as soon as I got stopped out, instantly got back in at 19 for a much lower entry, right? Then when I went for, take my kids, I'm like, yo, by the time we get back, I should be in some significant profit. And I was up 12 or 13 points, but the market just didn't want to move further. So I had to adjust to what the market was giving me and just take my profits and leave. There's no shame in saying, hey, I efficiently get 10 to 12 points out of ES, right? Like that's a good thing, right? Like that's a good thing. So like we have to start normalizing things that are okay to do. Oh shit, Justin's about to get short. Fuck. Hold on.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I know he is. I'm waiting on his ass to get short so I can press this damn buy button. So I can it's gonna be a battle between his funded account and my paper trade account, baby. Ultimately, I win no matter what. Yeah.
Lower high being put in here. The overall trend.
I'm just not shorting the demand. I just can't do it. But I do see what you're kind of looking at. I'm just looking at who's the aggressor here. Like who's in the most pain right now? Is it the Bulls or is it the Bears? Right now, the Bears are in pain right now. right? They're losing. The new bears are losing. The bears that took profits down here, they're good. But the new bears are in fucking pain. Everybody that didn't buy or that sold the market past 55.16, them poor souls, they may not see that level the rest of the day, right? So in order for them to get in profit, they got to push price down below here. But until then, I'm going to keep buying their ass up. Matter of fact, I can put my stop down here so I can't lose to Justin.
Yeah, but the opposite side is true too. All the bulls that got in at the highs.
100%. I 100% agree with you. I 100% agree with you, and that's why we're in consolidation, right? That's why it's so hard to decide what you want to do, right? Inside of the consolidation. That's why, to me, if I'm going to trade it, the entry is the most important thing. So if I'm going to get short, if I believe in the shorts, I'm getting short up at 29, 25, somewhere between 27 and 29, because I know it's a scalp that could potentially turn into a better trade, right? So if I'm going to get short, I'm going to get short at what I think is damn near the ultimate high, because I know the range is very small right now. If I'm going to get long, I need to be getting long down at 19 to 16. If I don't get those two entries, I'm not taking it, because you're essentially you're trading in the middle. If you trade between 22 and 25, that's the body of the candle, right? So if you trade long or short, right? Either way. So had a good trend line, liquidity run, take advantage of what was great. Yeah, man. I think today was a good day of trading. I mean, considering what we've been the hand that we got dealt today, like this was tough in my opinion, right? If you didn't take the long, you were chasing the longs, right? And you didn't know you were chasing them, at least on ES, right? You didn't know you were chasing. Like Justin's entry wasn't a poor entry, right? He waited for a lower high, he waited for a pullback. It was a good entry. The market just didn't want to give anything much above 27. And it's not giving much above 27 all day. So essentially we're in a 16 to 34, and I would venture to say 16 to 31, which is roughly about a 16-point range on ES right now, all day long. That's not where I want to be. So I'm taking my ball and I'm going to fuck home. I locked out all my accounts. I love y'all, but I'm not sitting here all day on YouTube talking about the fucking market. I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna go for my walk, and I will be back tomorrow. Me and Justin, you know what I mean? Like we'll come back and spin the block on y'all tomorrow. Don't stay in this market and give all your profits back. Take some bread, take some fucking profits, manage your risk, and have a great day, man. Jay, what you got?
I mean, nothing. It's been an interesting day of trading for sure, but I'm a little red, so not too upset with it, but yeah, I'm liking these shorts, so we'll see what happens. I'm not in though. I'm waiting for a pullback, see if we defend some price. But yeah, kind of tricky day for me. I got basically two break evens and one loss. So I'm just very small red on the day. So not a big deal, but come back tomorrow and try again. So
all right, no doubt. Thank you guys so much for rocking with the shop. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. We'll catch you on the next one. Baby, I'm sorry for chewing and talking at the same time. I know you're going to kill me. Peace.